friends, today I have a new tutorial for you. Today we have a very easy and quick project to do. This project is suitable for everyone and for beginners as well. We're gonna create this hot pad. I think it's nice and also very useful for everyone, so you can use it in your kitchen, but it's also a very nice and pretty present for your friends. For example, during Christmas time, this is a very nice little present for everyone. To create this hot pad, I will use a very thick cotton ribbon. I show you. It must be real pure cotton, not lycra, not polyester, because must be hot heat resistant, okay? Using the crochet hook size which fits to the cotton ribbon. For example, I used 7mm crochet hook for that one and 8mm crochet hook for this one. So I think we can start with this very easy but pretty project. Okay, let's start. I'm using this very thick cotton yarn. The yarn must be 100% real pure cotton, okay? So let's start with a magic circle in this way. Take the yarn, wrap around your finger like that. Now insert your hook into this circle and pull the yarn through like that. You see? Now from this position, chain 1 to fix the yarn. Pull this one. From this position now insert your hook into the circle and do 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now take this exceeding yarn and pull so that you can close your ring in this way. Tighten it, and now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round like that. Round 2, chain 1, enter into the same very first stitch and do 2 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 and 2. Now you have to do 2 single crochet in each one of the next stitches, 1 and 2. Into the next one, 1 and 2, and so on till you get 16 single crochet at the end of this round. At the end of this round, slip stitch to join, not into the chain, but into the first single crochet of this round, like that, and your round 2 is completed. Round number 3. Now I have to increase 1 single crochet after each single crochet. Show you how. Chain 1 to start, enter into the same very first stitch and do 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet is done. I have to increase after each 1 single crochet. So into the next stitch, I know that I have to increase, and I'm gonna do 1 and 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Into the next one, just 1 single crochet. Into the next one, again increase, so 1 and 2 single crochet. Continue doing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 till the end of this third round, and you'll get finally 24 single crochet. At the end of round 3, we have to slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. We're gonna finish every round like that. This is the last time I show you how to finish a round. Ready for round number 4. Chain 1 into the same very first stitch. Now 1 single crochet. Now into the second stitch, again 1 only single crochet. Now I have to increase for this round after each 2 single crochet. That's why into the next stitch I'm gonna do 1 and 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And now you have to work 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 single crochet all the way around. At the end of round 4, you'll get 32 single crochet. Into the next one, just 1. Into the next one, just 1. Into the next one, 2. 1 and 2. Round number 5. Chain 1. Now we have to increase after each 3 single crochet. So into the first one, just 1 single crochet. Into the second one, 1 single crochet. Into the third next stitch, 1 single crochet. Now into the fourth stitch, 1 and 2 single crochet. That's my increase. Now you're gonna continue like that. 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2, and so on all the way around. Show you once again. 1 1 1 into the next one, 2. At the end of this round, you get 40 single crochet. Round number 6. Chain 3, which takes the place of the first double crochet. Yarn over. Now into the same very first stitch, 1 double crochet. So chain 1. As you see, I'm starting this round with 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1. Now yarn over, skip the next stitch into the next one, repeat 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, yarn over and repeat, skip 1 stitch into the next one, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1. Keep working like that all the way around. At the end of this round, 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and now slip stitch to join into the chain number 3 you did at the beginning of this round, like that. Now you are ready for round 7. Let's start round 7. From this position, slip stitch into the next double crochet, 1. Now slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, and now you are in the right position to start this round. Chain 1, enter again into the same chain 1 space and do 1 single crochet. From here now, chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain 1 space and do 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain 1 space and do 1 Portuguese double crochet. Let's see again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the first loop, yarn over, pull it through the 2 next loops, yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. That's my Portuguese double crochet. Yarn over into the same space, 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, into the next chain 1 space, 1 single crochet. Repeat chain 3, into the next space, 1 double crochet, yarn over, into the same space, 1 Portuguese double crochet, yarn over, into the same space, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next space. Continue like that all the way around. At the end of this round, after the last double crochet, chain 3 And now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, like that. Okay? The 7th round was the last one. Now you can cut the yarn. I will show you how to cover out, how to hide the exceeding yarn on the back side. Okay, you cut the yarn, pull the yarn like that. Now you have to take a smaller hook size, turn your work, and now you have to hide the yarn, passing it through the stitches on the back side of your work, like that, in this way. That's the way you have to do to cover this exceeding yarn. Do that till the yarn is completely covered. You will do, and then you can also cut the excess like that, and you can do the same with this first yarn, doing exactly the same. Okay, now your work is completed.